Welcome to InfoPalace. In this video, I'm going to be guiding us on how we can be getting paid in cryptocurrency for just playing games, watching videos, taking survey, and this very website has over 7.5 million monthly visitors, and they are also rated by Trustpilot. Around 3,000 reviewers rated them 4.7. So this is a very good site in which one can make money and also make passive income. So I'm going to be guiding us on how to make, you do some things, do some tasks and make money, and how you can also make passive income. So if this sounds very good to you, then click the like button, subscribe to this channel, and also switch on the notification button so that every time we upload any other thing, you can always be notified. So we want us to go to this very site called Cointiply.com. Cointiply.com. So if it's somehow to you, just click on the link in the description box. It will take you directly even to that site. So when you get to the site, this is what you're going to see. See, this site has paid people in Bitcoin over $12 million. $12 million. And if Trustpilot around 3,000 people can review it, and they review them to be 4.7, you know that this should be a good site. Even one should just pay attention to. So over $12 million have been paid even to people here. So you could see that they have over 3 million users as of this time. 3 million users are using this site and are making money in Bitcoin every blessed day. So you could see that a lot of people get more money for things you love, or start saving for the future by joining Cointiply today. So you are saying it, what you love to do, there's some normal thing you do that you are not getting paid for, you can do it here and get paid for it. Our members have earned over $12 million in Bitcoin. Now it is your turn. So now that you are watching this video, it is your own turn. So you see Trustpilot, 2,751 people, and they rated them as 4.7. So this is the time you too can do some basic tasks and start earning money in Bitcoin. So we have, you can earn money, you can earn crystal by playing fun game online, get reward for watching video, shopping online, or signing up for exciting service. Share your opinion in popular products and business and earn real cryptocurrency. So you could see that this is really a big deal. You can just stay here, do some few things and start earning money. So you can earn between $1 to $5 every online survey you participated in. So you see, so this is what you can just start getting done and you start earning. So play game in your mobile or desktop or your desktop browser and earn coin while you play. Install mobile games and earn reward as you progress through the game. Share your victories and tips with others in the Cointiply chat room. A lot of things are inside here. So how do you get started? How does it work? You sign up, play games and earn coin, complete tasks, complete offers, share your opinion, watch videos. You have many videos you can watch, you have many ads you can just watch and earn good reward for this. So what do you do? In this session we have frequently asked questions. So what are the minimum withdrawal? How much can I earn on Cointiply? What are the minimum withdrawal limit on Cointiply? So you see all of these things I want you to just come and go through. You go through them so that you can really know what a lot of things, royalty bonus, reward points, fast payments, earn interest, multiply your coin, expert support, many things are here. And you also still have 25% for referrals. 25% for referrals. So there are lots I'm still going to tell us here. So just ensure that you watch the video to the end, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, do so, because you're going to be learning a lot of how you can make money here and how you can get things done better. So from here, the next thing you do now is just to sign up. So you just click on sign up. Immediately you click on sign up, just fill your email and your password, and the message will be sent to your email. Then you just click on it. Immediately you click on that, they will even welcome you with a bonus of 1,000 coin. So as you are starting good. They give you 1,000 coin. So when you click on that link, you'll be brought here. After you have signed up, just some few 1-2 minutes, you'll get down here and you go to click on the confirm. You go to confirm your email on your email box. Then you get here. So you say get started with Cointiply, multiply your coin and collect interest. So a lot of things you get here, even by just you coming into this site every day. There are some reward you get. Claim free coin hourly. So you see all of these things are inside. So what you just need to do when you get inside in this site, after you are logging, you will see a lot of things. Just take time to go through it, and one after the other you start to make cool cash here. So these are lots of things you can just take time and go through. So from up here you have the dashboard. In the dashboard you have all of this, which you can just go through. Then end coin. From this end coin, you can click if it's game you want to watch or the video you want to watch. There are some of these ones that are a lot easier. So it's better you go through them one after the other so that you can know where to start from. So you have how you get paid. Then you have, immediately your money is up to $3. You can withdraw your money, and within 24 to 48 hours you get your money. So you come down here, you just click on this. Let's see what will happen now. So we just want to do a task. These are some of the tasks you can easily do. This one, what they want you to just do is just to view. You just view. So just click on any of this and view it, and it will be counting for you. It will tell you that you should just view this for maybe 10 seconds. And the second will start counting. So immediately the seconds, maybe like 4 seconds or 7 seconds or 8 seconds, immediately that seconds is over, you just see that you have been rewarded. So if you see this one now, you just say you should just select paint. So this is just paint. Immediately you select this, it rewards you. So you see your reward have been it have been recorded. So when you close this, what you just need to come and check is this top here. You come to check this top, you see the coins is now 1,031. So that is how each of these you start to go one after the other, and you can just start earning. So as you earn, you might just leave your earning to any amount you want and now withdraw. But as immediately your earning is up to $3, you are free to withdraw. So the another part which I want to tell us here on how you can really earn is you can earn through referral. You can earn through referral. So what do you need to do is just for you to come down and just click on referral. You click on referral, you will see that you can just pick this is your referral link. you can come here and pick your referral link and now start sending it to your friends. So you can always click on our own referral link at the description. The same thing you do now is what people are going to be doing for you too. So ensure that you click on the link on the description, in the description, so that you can see how people are also going to be. So this is just like a passive income in which as you spread this link and people are enjoying this site and are making money, then they will be giving you 25% of everything they are making. They will be giving you 25% of everything they are making. So this is a very, very good site which I want to encourage us even to to come around. Immediately you come around, start making something there, then pick your referral link and start spreading it, so that you make money in two ways. You make money by the tax you do, and you also make good cash even by the referrals, linking people to this site. You should know that this site is not just site that you will do tax and at the end of the day you do not pay you. This is a site that is being visited by over 7.5 million people every month. This is a site that has trust pilots, as people around 3,000 people has reviewed this site as being trustworthy, and they can't do that if they are not paying regularly. So this is a site I wish that you come and stay around it, learn how it works, and start earning. You can't come here and say you don't have something to do. There are plenty of things you can do every moment. You can convert your time even to cryptocurrency. You can earn Bitcoin by just coming here and doing some tasks. So what you get determines what you input you put will determine what you get out of it. So you can get a lot of money by even coming around here and work. If you have been able to get anything valuable here, I want you to even like this video so that it can go viral. And if you have any question, you can just drop it at the comment below. And don't forget to just switch on the notification bell, so that every time we upload any video again, you can always know about it and be able to learn a new thing. Thank you for watching.